Imagine getting fired tomorrow. No warning, no severance, just an email and a locked account. For most people, that would instantly cut off 100% of their income. And that's the strange part. People spend decades building careers while owning almost nothing that can pay them back. The wealthy play a different game. They don't just earn money. They buy assets that slowly replace the need to work. Asset number 1, dividend-paying stocks. Some companies share profits with shareholders every quarter. Own enough shares, and cash keeps arriving, whether you're at work or on vacation. Number 2, rental real estate. A tenant's monthly payment can become your monthly income. Not glamorous, just math. Number 3, bonds. They're often called boring, which is exactly why they survive. You lend money, you collect interest. Number 4, businesses. Not necessarily a giant company. Sometimes a small website, a digital product, or a local operation can generate income long after the initial effort is finished. And number 5, royalties. Books, music, patents, videos, create once, get paid repeatedly. The irony is that most people focus on maximizing their paycheck, while the rich focus on making the paycheck irrelevant. Because eventually, every salary stops. Retirement, layoffs, health problems, technology. The real question isn't how much you earn today. It's how many assets are quietly preparing to pay you tomorrow.